Welcome to Banana Saging Plantation, Philippines. That is the Blue Java ice cream banana. That is already very ripe banana. So we cook this banana as sweet snack with special ingredients. So the first ingredient is the Blue Java ice cream banana, and then flour, and perhaps a little bit sugar. First, this banana, you mash it with your pork like this, so in small pieces. So until it's very small. You can also do with cut in small pieces first, but I don't need, so better I mash it so with the pork. So when the banana finish to mash, so you mix it with flour. Normally you can also use it with a mixer, but I prefer with a handmade. So you mix it like this. Flour. Oh, a bit more. So and mix it together. So for the healthiness, we use a little bit natron salt. So you mix it with the flour until it's a little bit sticky, and then after you fry it. This one we prepare without sugar because the Blue Java ice cream banana is already very sweet. So for us, no need sugar. You can use it after fried, also sugar if you want. So when you mix also with jackfruit, that is very yummy, tasty. If you mix with also this jackfruit, you cut it in very small, tiny pieces, and then mix. So okay, just mix this with the jackfruit also. Yeah. And then so here to the hot cooking oil in our dirty kitchen. So it's almost finished here. This our ingredient, our Blue Java ice cream banana and the jackfruit with a little bit flour and native egg. So that is the result. That is so yummy, leka, very tasty, and healthy also. Good appetite.